Hey Mike, Tom McCruber here at Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough. I want to put a quick video tour together for you on the 2022 S580 that you're interested in. So, we're going to take a walk around the exterior of the vehicle. I'll touch on some of the features that it comes equipped with, and then we'll go check out the interior and go over those options inside there. So, right up front, this is an AMG line 2022 S580. That means it is a 4-liter bi-turbo motor. AMG line is a slightly different styling package, so you'll notice it has a little bit sportier of a grille, a little bit sportier of a front lip there on the front bumper. This does have night package, so you'll notice some gloss black features, part of the grille and the front bumper there. This is the diamond white metallic paint, which matches quite nicely with the black. It is a black interior, so this is a white on black vehicle. As we come around the side, we will take a look at these beautiful multi-spoke black wheels that match with the night package on this vehicle. Then as we come around, you'll see a few more of the night styling options, which are the black mirrors, as well as the rocker panel down there has a gloss black feature as well. As we come around the side here, we also come to our flush mounted door handles. As you see, as soon as I touch them, they present themselves to me. Another neat thing you might be able to see is the logo projectors on the floor. But back to these handles, as soon as you have them out, they present themselves, just pull on it like a normal door handle, they'll open. This gives us our first look at the interior. It is a quilted black NAPPA leather interior. You'll see the quilting goes along the doors as well as the seats, and you get your first look at the new second generation MBUX screen and digital dash. I'll close this and we'll take a look at the rear seats before we go around and actually go into the car. So you'll see adjustable rear seats with heated and ventilated options as well. You've got a nice look at the ambient lighting package in here. You'll see it's in the back as well as the front. And we'll take a look at the trunk real quick, and then we'll go inside the vehicle. So plenty of room out back here. We also have the box here. This does, you can put groceries in it so they don't roll around. And there's a 20-pound maximum on that. But then to get it to go away, just press that button, it goes away. And then all power trunk. So now that we've done the outside, let's check out the inside. All right, now that we're inside the vehicle, I'll go over some of the options and features in here. So right up front, like I said, second generation MBUX center infotainment screen, as well as your digital dash. This does have the 3D tech package, meaning this screen can have a 3D look to it, so you can actually have some depth to this screen, as well as you have the heads-up display. The heads-up display is also allows you to do things like augmented reality for navigation, those types of things, all projected up on the windshield. From your angle right now, you can't see it, but in front of me, I can see the speed floating up in front of us. As I said, ambient lighting throughout up here. We do have heated and ventilated seats in the front as well. Distronic, obviously that comes standard here. We do have our wireless charging. We now have the addition of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto being wireless, so we don't have to plug in to get those, which is a really, really nice feature. Nice to have finally in the S-Class. This new screen here, we again all touch screen to get into any of our settings, any of our options. Also controls all of our climate controls. We no longer have the mouse or anything down here. It is all controlled right from this screen, or this little mouse pad up here on the steering wheel, and then this screen on the in the center is controlled with the mouse pad on the left side of the steering wheel. So really, really cool features and options in here. This is like a mixed metal trim. flows through to the center here, so everything matches very, very nicely and flows through with that white and silver, or white and black color scheme he has going. We do have the pano roof over the front and over the rear. We can open both touch of a button and independently of each other. So if your rear passenger does not want the window open, you can close it, which is really nice. And then, as you can see in the back, you do have sunshades on both windows, and you can see I'm putting down the one in the rear. So very, very well equipped car. As I said, AMG line, S580. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Again, my name is Tom Kubry. My phone number is 207-510-2286.